I just made a resolution to be happier in the new year. I'm going to do more grazing, and I'll tell you why I've come to this conclusion and this resolution. Because our friends over at Real Urban Barbecue brought some food in today, and I've been grazing since noontime, and it's fun, and I find myself looking forward to every minute of the day I'm here now, because I know in another few minutes I'm going to go back and get some more food that's over there on the table.
Can we talk about what they brought today? Because it is unbelievable. And the reason they brought it in is because they are trying to give people the great idea, which if we, by the way, have a Super Bowl party, this is exactly what we should do. You have until 48 hours before, so until Wednesday night
a week
to order
from
this. A week, yeah, the Wednesday night before.
Super Bowl's the
Super
first,
Bowl,
isn't it?
Yeah, Sunday. And they don't just have ribs. They have those burnt ends that melt in your mouth that you know that I love. Then they have these everything it's a bacon theme, and they've got these. It's chicken with like onions and peppers wrapped in bacon, shrimp wrapped in bacon, andouille sausage wrapped in bacon, and then they have the most unbelievable thing I have ever tasted. You know that I love bacon, Bob, and it's called pig candy. Pig candy, yes.
I'll have that for the kids for Halloween next year.
No, pig candy is it's bacon. It's cooked in something sweet. Is it bourbon? I'm not sure. Yeah, bourbon. No, it's bourbon glazed beef ribs.
Forget the Super Bowl. Just you get yourself a spread at home or where you work and just have it out there all day for everybody. Everybody will be very happy. You'll have happy employees. I'm telling you, grazing is the way to go. A Chicago magazine, by the way, voted Real Urban Barbecue Chicago's best barbecue a couple years ago.
They have 3 locations, by the way. Okay, these bacon-wrapped meatballs. I didn't taste those yet. They look amazing. They're called Moinks.
They're called what?
Moinks.